This is the Level Lock Plus, and trust me, it claims to make your keys obsolete. But after several weeks of using it as my daily front door lock, I found something the ads don't tell you. Is it the future of smart locks? Yes, but only if you accept a few trade-offs along the way. Level Lock Plus product overview. So what exactly are we looking at? The Level Lock Plus is a full smart deadbolt replacement made by Level Home Inc. in late 2023, early 2024. The Plus variant being their high-end NFC Apple HomeKit enabled model. It's positioned at the premium end of the smart lock market, aimed at folks who want tech that's subtle, sleek, and integrated, rather than bulky and gadgety. Its key selling point? It behaves and looks like a normal deadbolt to the outside world, but hides all the smart bits internally. On top of that, it supports Apple's Home Key standard, so you tap your iPhone or Apple Watch to unlock. It's instant when it works. Reviewers peg its MSRP around $329. Level Lock Plus performance. Specs are nice, but how does it actually feel to use? In my testing, the Level Lock Plus delivered a mostly smooth, set-it-and-forget-it experience. Daily unlocking and locking. Tapping your iPhone or watch via Home Key almost always worked instantly. About 95% of the time it was seamless, though I did occasionally have to reposition my wrist or phone in borderline positions. Touch to lock. This is surprisingly handy. You press your finger to the lock housing from outside and it locks automatically. No phone, no remote tap. In practice, I used this dozens of times. Response and reliability. For the most part, it was fast. But in colder weather or with slight door misalignments, there were occasional hiccups where the bolt didn't fully engage or the phone tap didn't register immediately. Features and tech. Let's dive into what stands out and whether you actually care. Apple HomeKit /NFC tap to unlock. Instead of waiting for Bluetooth geofencing, you tap your iPhone or Apple Watch to the lock, just like Apple Pay. It's instant when it works. Many reviewers call this a home run feature, and I agree. Touch to lock. Because locking is safer than unlocking, you can lay your finger on the lock housing and it locks itself automatically. No fuss, no app needed. Very convenient. Stealth or minimalism. This really is one of the most discreet smart locks out there. No giant plates, no ugly modules sticking out. Level keeps the electronics hidden inside the lock body so it looks nearly identical to a traditional deadbolt. Security and standards. It carries a AAA BHMA rating, a high standard, and meets industry norms for durability. But here's where things get tricky. The internal cylinder is a standard C-lock shared by many consumer locks, which means serious lockpicking experts might argue it's not bulletproof. Design and build. When it comes to materials and feel, Level did a nice job. Aesthetics and finish. The matte black or satin nickel versions look classy and minimalist. Even after weeks of use, the finish held up well against fingerprints and wear. Fit and mechanics. Because it's a full replacement deadbolt, you do need to remove your existing hardware and fit this one in its place. Some users noted that tight tolerances mean a slight misalignment in your door can cause struggles. Feel in hand. It doesn't feel plasticky. The internal mechanism feels robust, and turning the bolt manually is smooth. If your door is currently in good shape and aligned well, Level's design is a real plus. If not, you might need a bit of woodworking finesse. Pros: seamless and nearly invisible design that doesn't scream smart lock. Home Key tap to unlock is fast, intuitive, and satisfying. Touch to lock adds real convenience in daily use. Good durability and build quality. App supports guest passes and scheduled access. Cons: occasional misses in colder weather or slight misalignment. Sharing Home Key with non-household guests is limited. At $329, it's expensive for what is partially still a standard lock cylinder. Final verdict. So, here's the honest takeaway. The Level Lock Plus is one of the most refined and elegant smart locks on the market. If your priorities are appearance, smooth Apple ecosystem integration, and day-to-day usability above all, this is a top contender. And this is important. This isn't for everyone. If your door is misaligned or you live somewhere with extreme temperature swings, the occasional hiccup might frustrate you. Also, if you need robust guest access with non-Apple users or full unlock by proximity functionality, there are other locks that may suit those use cases better. If you're already deep in the Apple HomeKit ecosystem, want your lock to look normal